If you want to know how to save a CapCut video, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to export your project properly. Choose the best settings and save the finished video to your computer or device. This is a super simple process once you know where everything is, and by the end, you'll be able to save your CapCut videos fast and without any confusion. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit the like button, and make sure to subscribe for more easy editing tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut. Make sure the edit you want to save is fully loaded on the screen. This is important because CapCut exports whatever is currently in your project, so double-check that all your clips, text, transitions, music, and effects are exactly how you want them. Once your project is ready, look to the top right corner and click Export. This is the main button that opens the save and render options. Depending on the version of CapCut you're using, this button may be easy to spot right away, but if you have a lot going on in your workspace, take a second to find it before moving on. After you click Export, CapCut will show you the export settings. Here, you can choose the video resolution, frame rate, codec, and quality you want. If you want a higher quality video, pick a stronger export setting, but keep in mind that higher quality usually means a larger file size and a longer export time. If you're exporting for social media, choose the settings that best match the platform you plan to upload to. Next, choose the folder where you want to save the video. This part is really helpful because it lets you control exactly where your finished file will go. You can save it to your desktop, a specific project folder, or any location that's easy to find later. Picking a clear folder now saves you time when you go back to find the video after exporting. Once everything looks good, click Export again to begin the process. CapCut will now start rendering your video and saving it with the settings you selected. While this is happening, just let the export finish completely. Don't close the app or interrupt the process, because that could stop the video from saving properly. When the export is done, CapCut will usually let you know that the file is ready. At that point, open the selected folder to find your saved video. You should see the final exported file sitting right there, ready to upload, share, or edit further if needed. If you don't see it immediately, make sure you're checking the exact folder you chose during export. And that's it. You've now saved your CapCut video successfully. The whole process is really just open your project, choose Export, adjust your settings, select your save location, and let CapCut finish the job. Once you do it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tutorials, and simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.